So may jar, this is an experiment, no? Tinanong ko yung best friend ko kung totoo bang naging experiment to. It is a real concept, but there's no solid scientific evidence daw that has been formally studied in a controlled way. It's often used as an analogy for limiting beliefs and conditioning rather than a rigorously documented scientific experiment. Yung concept nito, yung idea, is that if you put fleas in a jar, sana hindi ako makapiright, cover it with a lid, they will jump and hit the lid repeatedly. Talon lang siya ng talon. Ayan. Tapos, after some time, they learn to jump lower to avoid hitting. Yung mindset nila, pucha, may lid dyan eh. Babaan ko lang yung talon ko. Natin. Ayan. So, nasanay sila na ganun lang yung talon. And then, tinanggal yung lid, but they continue to jump only as high as the previous limit. Even though they are free. Malaya na silang lumabas. Hindi pa rin lumalabas kasi sanay na sila sa ganon. Tinanggal pa nga yung bote. I think this is AI, no? Pero tinanggal na yung bote, hindi pa rin umaalis kasi nasanay na sila sa ganong gawi. Yan. So, fleas are capable of learning and adapting their behavior. Although hindi nga daw to verifiable scientific study. However, yung natututo sila, yung idea, like yung creatures na to kasi they are conditioned to accept limitations even wala nang limitation. Nakalaya ka na eh. Ang conclusion nito, while the experiment may work to some extent, its real value lies in its metaphorical lesson about self-imposed limitations rather than being a proven biological or psychological study. The fleas in a jar experiment is a powerful metaphor for how cults condition their members to accept limitations even when those limitations no longer exist. Ayun. Kasi sanay tayo sa strict rules, bawal pagupit, bawal kumain ng ganyan, bawal nakapants, etc. Nasanay tayo. Just like the fleas hitting the lid, members may try to think freely at first but are repeatedly told that questioning the group is wrong or dangerous. Takot. May nakondisyon yung utak natin to stay within boundaries. Over time, cult members internalize the rules and stop questioning authority. Nasanay na. Ayan. They may fear punishment, exclusion, or divine retribution. Like fleas, learning to jump lower, they limit themselves without needing external enforcement. Yung removal of the lid, yan yung leaving the cult. Nag-struggle tayo sa mental barriers. I think si Brad Badong nandun pa rin yung naitanim sa kanya somehow, no? So we need to detoxify talaga yung fear of sinning, fear of going to hell, mga ganyan. Like you're still under the cult's control kahit wala ka na. Breaking free requires relearning. Just as the fleas would need to relearn their full potential, ex-cult members must deprogram and realize they are no longer trapped. Therapy, education, and support from others can help them break past their conditioned fears and start thinking independently. Kaya wag na po kayo magtanong saan kami pupunta. You are free. Think independently.